How to sync Google Voice across devices. First of all, make sure you are signed in with the same Google account on all the devices where you want to use Google Voice. Open Google Voice on your device and check that your account is properly linked. If not, sign in with the correct Google account. Next, go to settings inside the Google Voice app or web version and review your linked numbers. Add or update the phone number and devices you want to sync so calls and messages can be forwarded to them. Make sure that call forwarding and message syncing options are enabled. This ensures that whenever you receive a call or text, it will appear across all your sign-in devices. If you are using multiple devices like a phone, tablet or computer, also turn on notifications for calls and messages so you never miss important updates. Now you know how to sync Google Voice across devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.